In here, in the bedroom, again, same as all the other rooms, it'll be a paint, walls, woodwork and ceilings, lights to be changed from transformers and low voltage to LED. Wardrobes, there are existing veneer doors, they will stay as they are and just be decorated internally. And then this is now the basement hallway. I'm just coming out of the bedroom and into what would have been the family shower room with just a one shower, WC and basin. And in here we removed tiling completely because of letting water behind, and all the walls behind that were saturated. Again, veneered panels to be removed and replaced with new lighting and full decorations as above. In here, the antique floor in here has sustained some damage, but none of it has lifted, so that will stay as it is because it's quite a nice flooring. And really that's it for the first week of this project. It's going to take approximately three weeks to complete. We might come back halfway through it and see how it's getting on. If this is a sort of project that you're interested in doing and you'd like somebody to take it on, please give us a call and we'll be more than happy to provide you with a quote.